candcinaba, and if you hear any noise in the background, it's just my brother and his friends playing basketball, so just ignore the sound. And as you know, I'm going to be reversing the pop of a water balloon, okay? Wish me luck again. Okay, so take your easy thing and just put it on the end, just screw it on tight. Now you're going to take your water balloon, place it on the end, and now hold it and turn on the faucet. Or just make sure you don't turn it on too much. Oh. Okay, if you guys got soaked, then thumbs this up. I gotta zoom out. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna move the tripod and focus down here. Now we're gonna tie up this water balloon and move it up a little bit. And yeah, so now we're gonna just let a bit of the water out. Edges of the tack, and now you've got enough space to work with. A bit of a fountain. Now take the end of it. And there's a nice high quality water balloon stuffed up. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the explosion, and my old one popped, so I gotta do a new one. It's about like, it's blue, okay? Ready? Whoa!